Love the home, but worried about today's interest rates? This seller may have the solution. With an acceptable offer, qualified buyers may be able to take advantage of a seller-paid 2-to-1 rate buydown. That means a lower interest rate during the first year, another reduced rate during the second year, and potentially meaningful monthly savings while you settle into your new home. And that is just one more reason to take a closer look at 5901 Jamali Drive. Let's go inside.